Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have seen my previous videos on Windows versus Mac, and my opinion was why not both? You already know I love using both systems. But today I want to dive deeper into how I actually use my MacBook for productivity, coding, and writing. Basically, how it fits into my everyday workflow. If you are a student, writer, or developer wondering if a MacBook can really boost your workflow, stay till the end. I have got some really practical tips and app recommendations that you will love.
So let's open the MacBook and get started. Today I am going to share how I use my MacBook for productivity and coding, all the tools, workflows, and simple techniques that help me stay organized as both a technical writer and a software engineer. So if you are into Mac productivity, development, or improving your digital workflow, you are going to love this video. So before going further, make sure to hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future content about tech, coding, and productivity. Okay, let's discuss my productivity setup. I separate my work using spaces. If you are unfamiliar with desktop spaces and mission control on Mac, we can make a video in future to explain it to you. For now, let me show you how I divide my work into different spaces or desktops. I have three desktops. Desktop 1 for writing work, Desktop 2 for coding and dev tools, and Desktop 3 for communications like email, WhatsApp, and Slack. Now let's go into each one of these and see how I do my work. In Desktop 1, I do my writing stuff. I use Pages, Notion, and other writing tools to carry out my writing work. And in Desktop 2, I have all my coding stuff. For example, I use Visual Studio Code as a coding tool, and I use Google Chrome for testing if it's a web development related project. For now, let me show you how to write code in C++, some basic code. Okay, let's create hello.cpp. Where we want to create it, let's create this file in desktop. The file is created. Let's write some code. Hash include iostream using namespace std int main, and we have output statement cout hello world. This is classic hello world program in C++. Now let's run this file. From here we will run C++ file using clang++ builder. It needs permission, let's allow it, and we will have our output. Here is the output. Hello world. Okay, that's about coding stuff. All my coding related tasks are performed in desktop 2. Now let's go to desktop 3 where I have all my communications including mail, WhatsApp, and other tools to communicate. You see, this reduces distraction and organizes all the tasks in each desktop, and it keeps each task in its own world. Now, let's talk about notes and documentation. I use Apple Notes or Notion to keep track of daily tasks, video ideas, technical notes, and research. And I do this in primarily Notion and also in Apple Notes. As you can see, I have some notes for my upcoming videos. And for my study hours, YouTube timeline, work blocks, and my teaching assignments, I use Apple calendars, and also I use Apple reminders. As you can see, I have all my reminders set. And for coding and for different creation mode, I use focus mode, which is very helpful. I click on it, I click on focus, and I click do not disturb. And I can set it up when I'm coding or doing some creative work. For creativity, focus mode is very important and it is very helpful. Let's move on to content creation and technical writing. For my YouTube plus technical writing side, I use Google Docs and Canva. Google Docs for scripting videos and articles, and Canva for creating thumbnails, and I use DaVinci Resolve for simple and fast edits. I love how smooth the Mac handles writing plus designing plus editing all together. Okay, now it's time for some tips for new Mac users. Here are 5 quick tips to make your Mac experience better. Number 1, learn shortcuts. For example, hold CMD and enter space for Spotlight. This one is life changing. You can search anything and the apps will show and you can open them directly from Spotlight search. Second, use Time Machine for backups. Third, keep your dock clean. All the necessary apps that you will use must stay in your dock, but don't overcrowd it. Next, use Stage Manager or Spaces as I have shown you for different window organization. In that, you will have multiple desktops and you will organize different stuff in different desktops. Fifth, and the last one is turn on iCloud Sync for easy backups across devices. Small habits, huge productivity boost. So, that's how I use my MacBook every day for both development and content creation. If you want, I can share more details about my VS Code setup, macOS tips, or even a desk setup tour in future videos. If you found this helpful, please like and comment Mac Workflow. Share with another developer or creator, and don't forget to subscribe because we are just getting started. More videos coming very soon. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.